Let's walk through this workflow. It's essentially an email classifier, labeler, and responder. Here's how it works. Whenever a new email arrives in Gmail, the workflow extracts certain information from it using an open AI chat model. Then, it analyzes both the extracted information and the email text using GPT-4 and assigns one of four predefined categories to it. Based on that, it adds a label to the email and then sends a reply. Let's go through each step one by one. First, we have the Gmail trigger node. This checks the inbox every minute for new emails. If it finds a new email, it forwards it to the information extractor. The information extractor pulls out text from the email and extracts the sender's name using the OpenAI chat model. If the sender's name is found, great. Otherwise, we just return an empty string. Next comes the edit fields node. This is used for formatting data. Here, we create an object that includes the sender's name, message ID, thread ID, and the email text. This structured data is then passed on to the text classifier. The text classifier takes the email text and assigns it to one of four categories. We've defined some descriptions for each category to guide the classification. For example, if it's related to payments, it could involve questions about transactions. If it's a consultation, it might involve scheduling initial or follow up meetings, etc. We are using GPT Mini to perform the classification based on the content of the email and assign one of the categories. Once the category is assigned, we use Gmail nodes to apply the corresponding label. These labels must already exist in your Gmail account as we fetch them directly from there. Each category has its own node that assigns the correct label. After labeling, we use the reply node. This reply can either be hard coded, meaning you specify the exact message based on the category, or you can dynamically generate the reply using the OpenAI chat model. So, for example, you can maintain some predefined responses or let the AI generate replies based on the email content and its assigned category. Now, let's test it. I'll send an email from another account. Okay, the email has been sent. It has arrived in our inbox, but the label hasn't been assigned yet since the workflow is triggered every minute. We'll go ahead and manually execute it as the workflow is currently inactive. Done. The email has now been labeled and replied to. Let's check the sender inbox. And yes, the reply is there. Workflow executed as expected.